In this video, I'll show you how to summarize meetings with Claude AI. This is a simple way to turn long discussions into clear and organized summaries. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll paste my meeting transcript or notes into the message box. After that, I'll type a prompt asking Claude to summarize the meeting. For example, I might type, "Summarize this meeting and highlight the key decisions and action items." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will analyze the content and generate a clear summary, including important points, decisions, and next steps. If I want a more structured summary, I can ask Claude to format it into sections like overview, key points, and action items. Claude can also help simplify the information or focus on specific parts of the discussion. Once the summary is ready, I can copy or download the content and share it with my team or use it for documentation. And that's it. I've successfully summarized a meeting using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.